A lot of people have been asking me, how do you start crypto trading with $50? In this video, I'm going to show you how to start trading futures and also earn $10 to $20 per trade. I have a group where I teach people how to trade. I also share my daily trades with them so that you also copy and paste to earn passive income. So make sure you watch the video from start to finish because it's very important you understand your take profit, your stop loss, whether to use isolated margin or cross margin. Some of you don't know this, but when it comes to trading, the amount of money that you can make depends on your capital. This is a trade I shared with my group. That was the day before yesterday. I did an analysis on BTC USDT perpetual using the 4-hour time frame. I even uploaded a video about it and also shared it on my Binance feed. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your $50 to $1,000 every single month just by following these simple rules. The first thing that you need to know is this: cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value. Cryptocurrencies are always increasing in value. Particularly, there are 3 cryptocurrencies that you should never short for a very long time. That means you should never sell these crypto pairs for a very long time. The first one is Bitcoin, the second one is Ethereum, and the third one is Litecoin. We can also add BNB to it. These cryptocurrencies, each time someone is introduced to digital currencies, they will first learn about Bitcoin and they will start to buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, and USDT. Just last year around November, I bought USDT for 6 Ghana cedis per dollar. Now 1 USDT is about 11 cedis. Those of you who know about interest rate and appreciation of currencies, you understand what I'm talking about. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your $50 to $1,000 or up to $2,000. I have been trading since 2019 and more than 30,000 people make money online with their smartphone. So just follow my instructions. So you can see this is the trade that we took and we are already in profit. This account is my Bybit. I'm just using it for the tutorial. You can see I deposited $50 and yesterday I made $1.3 with the strategy, just to show you guys that it really works. So I'm going to use the support and resistance strategy with the trend line tools and also the 50 moving average. So for us to even take a trade, what you need to consider are 2 things. We have fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Fundamental analysis is the general view of the market. Each time something happens in the financial market, either forex or crypto, it will have a major changes on the digital currencies. And even if you are trading cryptocurrencies, this is forex, you also know what I'm talking about. So before you even enter a trade, you first need to make sure that you are looking at the fundamental analysis first. That's what I usually do each time that I wake up and I'm about to take a trade. So what we can do is we have to have an exchange. Exchange is where we trade. Binance is not available in some countries. That's why I'm using Bybit in this video. But if you want, you can use Binance, OKX, KuCoin, StormGain. I'll leave the links in the video description. For the Binance, if you use my link, you are going to get $200 worth of bonuses. If you use my referral link on Bybit, you are going to get over 30,000 worth of bonuses. You can use this money to trade and earn passive income. So the first step we need to take is we need to first check the economic calendar either on Forex Factory or investing.com or Bloomberg. For me, I use investing.com. I see it to be very simple and they also explain things that you will encounter and what each fundamental analysis do. So this is the secret that I want you to know. Before you take a trade, you go to your investing.com app. When you go to your investing.com app, you are going to click on today news. Okay, so when I click on today economic calendar and I click on today news, we can see these are the news that are currently coming out today. So it's very important you always consider the fundamentals because they can let the market rise or fall massively. Okay, so you always have to be looking at the fundamentals. So if I come here, we have the 3 stars. Filter out the 3 stars. These are the major news. So if I click on initial jobless claims here, they are going to tell us what is currently happening. If so, let's say this particular initial jobless claim is telling us that a higher than expected reading is taken as negative for US dollar. If it is negative for US dollar, that means it's good for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and all altcoins or all digital currencies in addition. So if the news is coming out and is bad for the dollar, that means it's good for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin will increase in value. But if the news come out and is good for the dollar, Bitcoin will fall in value. So you see people start selling Bitcoin massively. So that was what happened. That was on around 16th and 17th of this month. So for us to trade, we first have to go to our coin market cap and change our date to the past 24 hours, the currencies that are currently trying to rise above 1%. So for me, I usually take 3 pairs and trade them on either Binance or Bybit. And I just tell you that this morning I can see Bitcoin doing a bullish momentum at the upside. So we can even see for the past 7 days, Bitcoin are falling 1.6%. So for us to start to rise again, you can even see just this morning it was around $29,200 and now it's $481. So let's get into the chart and use the technical analysis. So we are going to trade BTC USDT perpetual. Yesterday we took a trade and today too we are going to take another trade so that we can increase our account and earn up to $1,000. So what I can do is I'll go back to my Bybit account. So when I come to my Bybit, I'll just click on this bar here to increase the chart. We have something we call support and resistance, and each time the market reaches these places, there is something that happens. It's just like when something bounces. If you bounce a ball on the floor, it will go to some height and come back, and when it comes back, it can either bounce on the floor and move to more than where it went, or it will fall back to the floor. That's what I can explain about support and resistance. And we also have something we call trend line. Anytime that you are looking at the chart, you can't just see it to be like how planes fly. No, we have 2 types of price movement. We have the upward movement and the downward movement. The third one is consolidation. For me, I don't trade in consolidation market. So it's very important you always look at this. Let's say we are going to trade BTC USDT perpetual. I have a PDF that I give to my students. So if you want to join my VIP group, you can click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. So what we want to do is we want to add our trend line tools to the support and resistance zones. So I'll just come to the horizontal line, add it to the resistance. The resistance are usually where the price reaches and bounce to the downside, and the support is where price usually reach and rise again or break out to the downside. So we have a resistance zone here, then we can add another resistance zone to the downside here. Look at it, resistance again. So anytime that the price reaches this place, it moves to down, or it can either break above it and move to the upside again. So I'll just add another resistance line. Look at it here. So this is where we took the trade that was the day before yesterday, and this is our current position. So for us to even know where we want to exit, because you want to know where you want to enter the trade and where you want to add your stop loss and take profit. So just looking at this chart right now, what I can do is I can click on the price prediction tools at the left hand side using the trading view. Trading view is very good for those doing technical analysis. So I can just click on long position because we are going long, we are going to buy it. So for me, I usually go for 1:5 or 1:8 risk reward ratio. So even at the end of the day, if you are not a profitable trader, you still earn money from trading. Because if you go for 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward ratio, and maybe you traded for about 5 consecutive trades and none of them were a profit, you are going to lose your money. And also always use 1% of your account for each trade. don't allocate more than 2% of your account. It's called risk management. You want to make sure you are trading so that you can make money now and also make money next. Okay, so our stop loss should be around the 29,003 where the support level is. Okay, and our take profit can be 30,280 dollars. So we are targeting 1:8 or 1:7 risk reward ratio now. So what I can do is I'll now reduce this bar here. So just, if you don't understand what you are doing, you can watch the video and do it again. Okay, or you just click the first link, join the Telegram group and text me on WhatsApp. So basically what I want to do is I can add my using market order with a leverage of up to 100%. Always use cross margin, and when you are using cross margin, use 1% of your account balance. So for me, I'll go for 10% of my account balance with $4.5 because we want to grow our account from $50 to $1,000. That's the reason. So I can click on the take profit and loss. So with the take profit, it will help you close the trade automatically if the price reaches where we want to close the trade. Let's say $30,280. So if Bitcoin rises to $30,280, it's going to close it for us. And if it falls to $29,232, is going to close it again. It's called stop loss. So when we are going to trade, we need to make sure that we are protecting our account balance so that if the trade doesn't go in our favor, we'll still be able to trade on the next one. So I can tell you that my take profit is $30,280. Then my stop loss is $29,225. So if Bitcoin falls to $29,285, it's going to cancel it for me. So you can see my stop loss. I'll lose let's say $3.47 if the trade doesn't go in my favor. If Bitcoin rises to $30,280, I'm going to earn $11 profit from this trade, which is good. I'm losing $3 to make $11 on this trade. So I can just click on confirm here. Then I can go for a long order. So if I go for a long position, it will appear at the positions level. So let me just reduce this particular thing here. Okay, so this is where we have our, now we have entered another trade. So you can see the trade is moving on well. So if you enter a limit order, it will appear at the current orders. So for now, we have used market order. If you still have any problems, you can just comment down below or click the first link, join the Telegram group. I have a WhatsApp group where I share my daily trades with my students. You can also follow me on Binance Feed for more free trades and how to earn passive income with your smartphone using digital currencies.